everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on the Margex mobile app. To change the display language on Margex app is super easy. First of all, open the Margex application and make sure that you are logged in using your email and then your password. After you are logged in, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Within the settings menu, tap on language under app settings. From the list of available language, choose the language you prefer from the list and tap on it. Soon after you do that, the page will automatically update to reflect the new language of your choice. All the interface elements on the Margex should now display in the selected language. If you want to select to a different language, you can get back to the same location and choose the language of your preference again. And that's how you easily change the language interface or your display language setting on your Margex mobile app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.